Hello Bubble Dusty Ash hair dye. So I've heard quite a lot of good reviews on this hair color. I got mine from Shopee because it's cheaper. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Oh my gosh. It's cheaper to get it online, but whichever is more convenient for you. You can get it from your nearest drugstore, but it's gonna cost you probably double the cost. Anyways, let's see what you will be getting inside. So here's how it looks like. By the way, I took out my the cape that comes with it, as well as the gloves. They do provide gloves as well. This is the one. So let's see what you'll be getting inside. This one, of course, the foam dispenser and the color developer, right? As well as these things, which are the usual manual and the other the other color developer, and also the there's a lot of things, the serum for you to treat your hair once you have dyed it, and also the other color developer. So let's switch to a different attire. So I've changed to, you know, a black top and also this cape that comes along with the kit, and now I'll be mixing this developer along with the two other components that they have provided, which is this one and also this. And be sure to just swirl it when you want to mix it rather than shaking it up and down. And before that, I also want to show you my current hair color. It's like a light brown copperish. I did not bleach it, but it has been colored on twice already, and the two times are like both with a golden ash color. So let's see. Okay, now I've clipped half of my hair up because it's really thick. So once you have swirled it for 20 times, then we're ready to go. That's how it looks like. Ooh. It smells kind of, I don't know, it smells pretty bad. Not gonna lie. Alright, so I've applied the hair color to my hair and it's looking pretty dark. I used up the entire bottle and my hair is like really thick, and it's about mid-length, slightly below, slightly more than mid-length. So it seems pretty saturated. So now I'm gonna leave it for an hour. I know that the instructions says that you should leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, but I prefer my hair to be like really pigmented, you know. So I'm gonna leave it for an hour, as per other reviews that, you know, they shared and mentioned that their hair seemed more pigmented after leaving it for an hour. So I'm gonna do that, wash it, and show you guys how it looks like. Ta-da! So this is how it turned out. It is more ashy in real life, but I don't know why the camera is not picking it up. But my roots are more light brown as compared to the other parts of my hair. This you can definitely tell that it's like a dusty ash color. Yeah. So I really like the color, and it really turned out as per the box description. And hopefully you guys can try it out. Bye bye.